Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I want to wish all my honeys a very Merry Christmas 2024. I know I've been missing in action. I'm all right health-wise. I've just been trying to figure some stuff out, see which way my channel is going. Well, anyway, I miss doing the videos and all that. But like I said, I'm trying to figure some stuff out. So anyway, I did film a few things, so I'll probably put everything I've filmed in one video. But I mainly came on here today to wish you a very Merry Christmas. And I got a gift from one of my honeys. She got so many stamps on here, y'all. I picked it up a few days ago. I had been going all last week to see if it was there, and it wasn't there yet. So they finally got there. So she sent me 2 calendars. Everybody can use calendars for the upcoming year. Because we used to be able to get calendars free. We used to be able to go to the pharmacy and get them. As long as they had them out there, you can get free calendars. Not anymore. Give me a nice card. And you punch this angel out, and it's also a Christmas tree ornament. You can punch it out. And a gift. It was torn a little bit, but I don't know what it is. I know it's hard. I guess she wants to see me bake something. It's a non-stick steel pan. Look at that. This will make a nice meatloaf. A nice, some kind of cake. Small cake for 2 people. And I've never seen a pan textured like this. I don't know if y'all can see the texture. Stick resistant. That's what they're stressing on here. Non-stick, no coating, anti-scratch. Anti-scratch pan. It's an 8 by 5 by 5. Is that 8 inches? That ain't no 8 inches. Why did it say that? 8 by 5, 5 inch. I don't know. Let me take this off. Steel pan. Made in Italy. Okay. It's very sturdy, substantial. And if I dropped this, it wouldn't dent. It's very sturdy. So we're going to see. I'm going to make something in it. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Trying to see. Oh, and this ice machine that I got, and I gave the thumbs down on it. I wasn't supposed to be sitting down trying to press on that thing. I've been eating the icy every day. So it actually works. I have to stand up, put the ice block in it, and then just press down on the little gray thing that you mash to shave the ice. It works, but it don't work so well if I'm sitting down. So it serves the purpose. Okay, what else? Okay, in one of my other videos, I showed y'all that I was baking cookies for my grandkids for Christmas, because I wasn't giving out gifts. I was just giving out gifts to my kids, not the grandkids this year. This is how I packaged up the cookies for the kids. I hope this is enough, but I do have some set aside in a bigger container. But this is so they'll get some of each kind that I made. So I think it's about 7 cookies in each container. So, and this is for each child, not for the family. Okay. Cake mix cookies, y'all. I'll put a link to another video where I actually show you how I made the cake mix cookies. Okay, y'all be blessed. So I made a bunch of these cake mix cookies. So I'm waiting for the rest of them folks to come get their cookies. So I got strawberry with cream cheese chips. I got what is that? German chocolate cookies with chocolate chips. I have pineapple with cream cheese chips. I got lemon cookies with cream cheese chips. And I have yellow butter cookies with chocolate chips in here. So everybody got the same things. So I just want them to come pick them up. And I bought these little plastic containers to keep them fresh for a little while. And my little the paper, you know, that goes in those baskets that I have. So Jackie already been here. So her and Kia, they got theirs for their households, for the kids. And I don't even know what you call them, my almost son-in-law. He came over here one day. He brought a bunch of chips, Asian potato chips, and Doritos, Asian. So he's waiting for me to do the taste test. But I asked Walter to join me to do that, so he's still trying to make up his mind. I'm going to ask him again because I'm ready to do it now. But I guess I'll put that in another video. It's something I want to tell y'all, but I can't remember it right now. Oh, Walter barbecued yesterday. Okay, y'all, here's our Christmas dinner. Walter went out there and barbecued. So we got hot Italian sausage. We got ribs, rib tips, and chicken wings. I just took this out the oven. I didn't let it get fully brown, but this is the mac and cheese. I got tired of watching it and I didn't want it to burn, so I took it out the oven. And I got this oven mitt on the handle because Walter will come in here and grab it. And we got some greens. Kind of greens, turnip greens. And I want to fix sweet potatoes, but I'd have to eat them all by myself because Walter don't eat them, so I didn't fix them. So that's our dinner. I'm taking the meat. Okay, and I got on my red for Christmas. Snowflakes. So, just want to touch bases with you all, let you know that I'm okay. I just ain't felt up to putting up no videos, and I'm still trying to figure out some stuff, which way my channel is going. I don't want to lose my honeys. And wish y'all a very Merry Christmas. Okay. So y'all be blessed. Bye. I want to hold up this pan. I ain't never seen one like it. Okay. Thanks again, Tanya. Y'all be blessed. Bye.